Ever wonder how movies make this sound so real?
Kill him.
That bone crunch? Well, nobody's breaking anything. Well, hopefully. Those sounds come from Foley artists, the people who recreate sound effects using everyday objects. Bone cracks? It's usually celery or dry pasta snapping. Punches and kicks. That's a fist hitting something, well, not a face, but a steak or a leather jacket. So when it sounds wet and gory, think of ribs cracking, while mixing squishy fruit or cooked chicken. Yeah, movie magic is deliciously gross. So next time you watch an action scene, remember, behind every brutal bit, there's probably someone in a studio snapping celery.